Happy morning, children. Let's start with our first lesson revision. Chapter 1, A Living World. This lesson has got some 5 choose the correct answers and 5 question answers which we will discuss one by one. The number 1, which one of the following statement about virus is correct? And the correct answer is they contain DNA or RNA. Identify the incorrect statement about the gram-positive bacteria. Here, both option A and option D is correct. Okay, teichoic acid is absent and lipopolysaccharide is present in the cell wall. Both the answers are incorrect statement. Okay, you can write both A and D, but the option is not given there. Identify the Arachidobacteria. Option D, Methanobacterium. Methanobacterium, option D. The correct statement regarding blue-green algae is option A, lack of motile structure. Lack of motile structure. And the 5th question, identify the correctly matched pair. Okay, the option is C, bacteria crown gall. Now we'll move on to the question answers. You've got 6 questions. The first, 6th question is differentiate homoiomeres and heteromerous lichen. Okay, it's a simple answer. Here, lichen is a combination of algae and fungi. Okay, in this, the algal cells are evenly distributed in the fungal thallus. In the fungal thallus. The fungal thallus, the algae are equally distributed. In heteromerous lichen, a distinct layer of algae and fungi is present. As you see in the cake, layer like. Okay, so one layer will be algae, another layer will be fungi. So if that is arrangement, it is heteromerous. If it is evenly distributed, then it is called the homomere. The next one, write the distinguishing features of Monera. Monera's distinguishing features. They are prokaryotic, they are unicellular, cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan and mucopeptide. The nutrition in sometimes autotroph and in some heterotrophs. They are motile and few are non-motile. Okay, these are the and the last point is organisms are Arachidobacteria. Examples for Monera. Okay, Arachidobacteria, Eubacteria, Cyanobacteria, Actinomycetes and Mycoplasma. Question number 8. Why do farmers plant legume crops in crop rotations or mixed cropping? Okay, leguminous crops have symbiotic association for nitrogen fixing bacteria. Okay, so leguminous plants have a symbiotic association with nitrogen fixing bacteria which fix atmospheric nitrogen and converts it into organic nitrogen. As a result, the fertility of the soil increases. So farmers plant leguminous plant in mixed cropping. Okay, is that clear? So this is the answer for question number 8. Briefly discuss on 5 kingdom classification. Add a note on merit and demerit. Okay, this is the 5 kingdom classification. You have got the criterias on one side and the kingdoms on the other side. Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalae. Cell type. Monera is prokaryotic, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, animal or eukaryotic. And level of organization, Monera, Protista or unicellular. Fungi is both unicellular and multicellular. Plantae and animal, they have organ tissues and organ systems. Then coming to cell wall, Monera made up of peptidoglycan or mucopeptide. Cell wall is present made up of cellulose. Fungi, cell wall is present made up of chitin and cellulose. Plantae made up of cellulose. In animal, cell wall is absent. Nutrition. In Monera, it is autotrophic, photoautotrophic or chemoautotrophic, and sometimes they are heterotrophic also, having parasitic and saprophytic. In Protista, it is autotrophic, photosynthetic and sometimes heterotrophic. Fungi, there is no autotrophic, it is purely heterotrophic. Plants, they are autotrophic with photosynthesis. Animalae, they are heterotrophic, holozoic. They cannot prepare their own food. They feed upon the other. They swallow them. Mobility, motile or non-motile, and Protista, motile. Sometimes they do not move. Fungi, they are non-motile, and plantae, they are mostly non-motile, and animals mostly move. Okay. And organism, here they have given actinomycetes, and for Protista it is amoeba, fungi, yeast, and plantae, algae, and animal invertebrates. All the animals comes, and you can even write dog, monkey, cat, and all. So this is the 5 kingdom classification. Now coming to the merits and demerits. Okay, the classification is based on complexity of the cell. It is based on mode of nutrition, separation of fungi from plants, phylogeny of the organism. So these are the merits. Coming to demerits, the kingdom Monera and Protista accommodate both autotroph and heterotroph, cell wall lacking and cell wall bearing organism, thus making these two groups more heterogeneous. Either they should have autotroph or heterotroph, but they have both of them. Similarly, cell wall is present as well as cell wall is also absent. So this is a confusion there. Virus were not included. Virus are also an organism, but in 5 kingdom, virus are not included. So these two are the demerits of 5 kingdom classification. The last question, give a general account on lichen. The symbiotic association between algae and fungi is called lichen. The algal partner is called phycobiont, beyond B. Phycobiont, and the fungal partner is called mycobiont. Algal provides nutrition and fungal provides protection in the association. Okay, and algae have asexual reproduction and fungi have sexual reproduction. So this is a general account of lichen. So with this we have completed our first lesson. Carefully watch through this and revise your first lesson. Thank you, children.